Hello everyone, welcome back to Date That Matters. Today, we are talking about World Savings Day 2024, celebrated on 31st October every year. Let's dive into the theme, history, and why this day is so important. Theme of 2024. This year's theme is Saving for a Secure Future, focusing on building financial stability through consistent saving habits. Whether for emergencies, education, or retirement, saving ensures a cushion for life's unexpected turns. History. World Savings Day, also known as World Thrift Day, was first celebrated in 1924 during the First International Savings Bank Congress in Milan, Italy. The idea was to promote saving as a means for individuals and nations to foster economic stability and growth. Since then, this day has encouraged people around the world to develop smart financial habits. Why is it celebrated? This day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of saving. It reminds us that saving money is not only about securing personal financial futures but also supporting economic growth in communities. By saving, people contribute to more resilient economies that can withstand crisis and ensure sustainable development. Importance. In today's fast-paced world, where consumerism often overshadows the concept of saving, World Savings Day emphasizes the value of being financially responsible. It's about educating people of all ages on the benefits of saving, teaching children early financial literacy, and encouraging adults to save for long-term goals. Goal. The primary goal of World Savings Day is to motivate individuals to develop better financial habits. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a dream home, or your children's future, this day inspires us to take control of our financial health one step at a time. So, this 31st October, let's reflect on our financial habits and take steps to secure our future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this on Date That Matters.